Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to install Next.js. In order to install Next.js on your computer or create Next.js projects, you have to install Node.js on your computer first. Let's type Node.js over here and then click on the link over here and then download. Okay, after the download is done, go here and then show in folder. You will see Node.js files over here, double click on it, click next and accept the term in the license agreement. Click on next and next and next and next and click on install and then click on yes and click on finish. The next step, let's open command prompt over here or type cmd over here and hit enter. So let's type npm-v to check the version of the Node.js that's installed on our computer. This means that we have installed Node.js successfully. Okay, the next step, let's go to Next.js website and go to get started and then go to installation. You will use this command in command prompt to install Next.js on your computer. Okay, the next step, press shift and right click and open terminal. So in order, we are going to install Next.js on desktop. You see, this is desktop path. So we use this command from the official website, right? Copy it, paste it over here, hit enter. And it's going to ask you want to proceed, type yes. And it's going to ask you the project's name. I'm going to name it my first Next app. Hit enter. It will ask you whether you need TypeScript or not. We can choose TypeScript and choose ESLint. It will ask you, do you need Tailwind CSS by default? If you don't need it, you can choose no. And would you like to use source directory? We can hit no. Would you like to use app router? Yes. Would you like to customize alias? No. Okay, the installation is done. The next step, we access to our projects by type cd my first next-app. So if you install Visual Studio Code, you can type code dot to open the project with Visual Studio Code. So I will go to terminal. If you go to package.json, you can type npm run dev to run the projects, npm run dev to run the project. And if you go to this URL or you click over here, it will open the application on web browser for you. See? Alright, we have installed Next.js successfully.